my best friend. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about someone very special in my life. My best friend. Almost everyone has a friend who makes life happier. A best friend is someone you can trust, laugh with, and talk to about almost anything. They are there during the good times and the difficult times. I feel very lucky to have a best friend. We met several years ago. At first, we were just classmates, co-workers, or neighbors. We talked from time to time, but as we spent more time together, we realized we had many things in common. Slowly, our friendship grew stronger. One of the things I admire most about my best friend is kindness. No matter what happens, my friend is always ready to help others. A kind word, a warm smile, or a helping hand can make a big difference, and my friend understands that very well. Another wonderful quality is honesty. A true friend tells you the truth even when it is difficult to hear. My best friend always gives honest advice. I know that the advice comes from a place of care and support. Of course, we also have many happy memories together. We have gone on long walks, watched movies, shared meals, and celebrated birthdays. Sometimes we simply sit together and talk for hours. Those conversations are often the best part of the day. One thing I enjoy is that we can laugh about almost anything. Life can be stressful, but spending time with a good friend makes problems feel a little smaller. A funny story or a silly joke can quickly change a bad mood into a good one. That doesn't mean we always agree. Like every friendship, we sometimes have different opinions. Sometimes we misunderstand each other. Sometimes we make mistakes. But we always try to listen, forgive, and move forward. I believe this is one of the reasons our friendship has lasted for so long. My best friend has also supported me during difficult times. Whenever I feel worried or disappointed, I know I have someone who will listen without judging me. Sometimes I don't even need advice. I simply need someone who understands. And that is what a true friend does. Friendship is not only about having fun. It is also about being there for each other when life becomes difficult. I also try to be a good friend. Friendship works both ways. I listen when my friend needs to talk. I celebrate my friend's successes. I offer help whenever I can. A strong friendship grows when both people care about each other. One thing I have learned is that friendship takes time. You cannot become best friends overnight. Trust grows slowly. It grows through shared experiences, honest conversations, and kindness. As we become older, life becomes busier. Work, family, and responsibilities take up more of our time. We may not meet as often as we would like. But true friendship does not disappear because of distance or busy schedules. A simple phone call, a text message, or a short visit can keep a friendship strong. I believe everyone needs at least one good friend. Someone who encourages you. Someone who believes in you. Someone who celebrates your achievements. And someone who stands beside you when things are not going well. If you have a friend like that, you are truly fortunate. And if you are lucky enough to have a best friend, remember to appreciate them. Say thank you. Spend time together. Be honest. Be kind. And always support each other. The best friendships are built on trust, respect, and care. They make life brighter, happier, and more meaningful. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. Who is your best friend? How did you meet? What do you like most about your friend? What is your favorite memory together? And what do you think makes a friendship strong? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Take care of your friendships, make time for the people who matter, and never forget the value of a true friend. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.